Model: 68-plate Peugeot Boxer Relay 2.0 BlueHDi 335 L2H2 130 Euro 6 bargain needs gearbox. Body: white, panel van. Mileage: 88,165. MOT: the 24th of May 2024. Engine: 1997 CCDW10 FUD. Transmission: 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox will need replacing, repairing, it has no third or fourth gear. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features: 2 former keepers, 2 keys, electric windows, sat-nav, air-con, parking sensors, cruise control. EU status: Euro 6. HPI, clear.